testing 5-minute hacks again.
Yep, only this time around we've left the kitchen and are focusing on storage areas around the house. So let's go! If you're new here, we'd love for you to stick around. We're all about living a tidy life with young kids, so we share organizing hacks, tips, and tricks in fun little bundles. So if that sounds fun, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for notifications. Okay, so this one I'm actually quite excited about. The idea is to take one of these magazine holders and basically stick some double-sided tape on the side and then plop this on the inside of a cupboard door, such as this one. And we've got all of our cleaning supplies in here, or a bunch of our cleaning supplies. And the problem that we have is that we kind of have to like dig through them to get what we need at any given time. So the idea now is that by putting this into play, we can open up the cupboard and we should have easy access to all of the stuff that we need within seconds. I mean, not that it really takes more than seconds anyways, but it's just frustrating. So this should be less frustrating. Let's see if it works. I mean, the big question mark here is whether this will actually hold the weight that we're planning on putting into it. I'm hopeful.
Can we close it now?
No.
I think this here is like a test of time type thing. Now it's been a few weeks since we tested this one and we loved it to begin with, but after about 2 weeks we heard a big bang and then it fell down.
Yeah, turns out that the tape didn't hold. We even used like the thicker, more industrial double-sided tape compared to the one that was shown in the video, but even that didn't work very well. Now I'm sure you could, still like screw it up or have a more permanent fixture, but I guess that's kind of missing the point.
Yeah. It's not a 5-minute hack if you have to get out the drill.
So I guess we're going back to our old setup until we find something a little bit more durable.
And we're back testing 5-minute hacks. So this hack is...
Sorry, I'm late. It's a can opening hanger wardrobe hack.
Exactly. We're going to create more space using these. I just grabbed this one first, lucky.
Here you go.
Because this will actually probably fit. So put it on one of them, then grab another hanger.
Yep.
And put it in the other hole.
Mm-hmm.
And then we hang it back. Help.
Help.
And there you go. If we do it with a whole wardrobe, then it'll create more space. So let's do it with a few more of them.
Okay.
Let's try with this one.
You can have a couple.
I sense a problem here. Give me one.
Okay. I'm just gonna go
Oh,
ahead.
hey, actually I thought it'd be a problem, but no, it fits.
Uh-oh, but now these aren't color coordinated anymore.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Shocking.
Okay, so this one is too thick. It won't fit through the hole.
No, but that's what I was saying.
Nope, this one is too thick. It won't fit through the hole.
Yeah, okay, this is not working. I'm sorry.
So from like food cans, like canned tomatoes, they're bigger. So I just put that one on and see if that works. I cleaned all these, I promise. And that works. Okay. So
Brilliant.
I hacked the hack. Okay, all ready now. Is it working? I mean, I think it has created a little bit more space.
I feel like it makes it a little bit, like you lose a little bit of the oversight. And to be honest, I personally don't have that many clothes that it's an issue with space.
No, you don't.
You might disagree.
So yeah, I do think this will give you more space. However, it doesn't look as nice, and it's gonna be harder for me to grab it and put it on.
Because if I want to grab this, then, well, okay.
That actually worked.
I mean, I think we can deem this as at least like a semi-success.
Mm-hmm.
Are we gonna do it?
No.
Probably not.
I don't like it. And with my clothes...
Because she doesn't like it.
Well, I think with my clothes, it's something I put on to feel creative or feel good. It's very much an emotional thing. And if I look at it and I just feel, when I even look in the wardrobe, it's not gonna work for me personally. But other people, it might work for.
So we let this one stick for a couple of weeks, and it kind of worked, but the biggest nuisance that I saw was when you have to grab whatever's on the top hanger, the lower hanger and whatever's hanging on that one just kind of tags along for the ride and is really just in the way. So that's kind of annoying.
And I really didn't like this one to begin with anyway, so we're not gonna do this, but if you're thinking about doing this, then maybe consider decluttering instead.
That's a good idea. Seasonal clothes.
Yeah. It takes up a lot of space, so we want to roll the coat nicer.
I'm wasting no time.
I can see that. So we found this hack, and you're supposed to zip it up. Put the...
Can they see it? Not really, but... Ah, kids.
Sand the mittens. What you gonna do? Why is it snow? Oh, because it's warm. Never mind.
What?
There can't be snow in the pockets because it's dry. Duh.
I feel like I shouldn't have asked and you should have just kept quiet.
Yeah, I know. I'm a science teacher, I promise. There's no hood on the one that we looked at, so let's just pretend like it's not there.
Okay.
And then you roll up the bottom. Like 1/3 of the way, I'd say a little bit more.
Like just the one?
Just the one layer, yeah.
One layer?
Uh-huh.
It's just the one layer, actually.
And then we roll this into it. Man, you kidding me? I'm happy with this.
You're sold?
Yeah, I think I might be sold.
This is definitely taking up a lot less space.
I
mean,
think it's the best hack so far.
All of the sand we could pour into this. Oh, okay,
I was
do we have
surprised.
more? This works!
Oh.
Okay. Wait, did I start?
I don't know.
I have started.
Okay, come here. We are gonna learn to roll our towels the best way. So we already do roll our towels, but there is a better way than just rolling them.
Is that true?
We shall see. Let's do it. You fold.
Fold.
Here. Okay, make sure it's nice.
And fold.
And fold over here.
And then roll.
Mm-hmm. And then you tuck in the end. They just like kind of, but I think you need to tuck it in or else it's gonna fall out. Ta-da!
Okay, so this does exactly what it promises it will do. Is it worth the effort? Instead of just fold and roll, it's fold, and roll.
Roll and tuck.
And tuck. Yeah, I mean, let's be honest. Do you ever have this situation come up where you're like, I'm gonna go take a shower now. Let me just grab this towel. Oh no!
It has happened to me. I wasn't that much dance on distress, but it has happened to me. It might be your thing. Go for it if you liked it. If not, we
It's not. We've seen worse.
We have. The last one, when we're testing 5-minute hacks, is actually a bonus hack because you get 4 hacks in one. And it's about headphones. It's a personal annoyance of mine because I am not very good at getting them to fit in this little box. Ben is really good at rolling them and twisting them and putting them down neatly so they look nice and fit. I'm not so good at that. I just kind of like roll them up, put them in, and then they explode. So, I'm gonna find a better way to do it. The first one is the fun one. It's the Kinder Egg one. I know in America your Kinder Eggs look a little different, but here we get chocolate, and then we get a toy inside. Then we eat the chocolate, throw the toy away, and then we have this. So, we are supposed to take the headphones. Yeah, okay. This won't happen when you have them nicely organized, hopefully. So, you roll them up. And you tug them in here. And they're supposed to fit perfectly.
Okay, you made this look so easy. I tried to do this earlier.
You did?
I think my hand is just too big because that was difficult. Try taking it out again and seeing like how it is when
You take it out?
Yeah, and then oh, you're gonna use them.
I'm gonna use them, so I'm gonna plug it in.
Untangle pretty easily.
Yeah. I like this. Somehow, I don't know why, it's just a little too much for me to tuck these around twice, which is what Binna does, and then put them in here. That's just like, oh, I can't bother to like do that extra little thing. I don't know why. Second one is Tic Tacs. So they were smaller when I was a kid, and in the video they were smaller as well, but apparently here I went to like several stores and I couldn't find any that were the right size. So this is like a jumbo pack. So I bet they'll fit in here. I had an empty one somewhere.
Just eat all of those.
I'm gonna eat them all. So this is the empty one. You're supposed to like cut it around here so you get all the stickers off. And then it comes off pretty easily. At least for me when I have nails. I don't know if it comes off easily for you, Ben.
Exhibit A. Oh, it's over here. Nope.
No, you're supposed to, yeah.
Hey.
Alright. So you take the headphones, you roll them up, and you simply stick them in there. Ta-da! And they definitely fit because it's a jumbo pack. I mean, they should fit in a smaller one. So if you can find a smaller one, they take up less space. I mean, you can see there's plenty of space in here.
I feel like these are already getting kind of tangled, so when you take them out, they're going to be kind of a pain. Let's verify that.
No. A little bit. Not.
It could.
It could work, but. Okay.
Well, that
Next
works.
one is the inspirational quote one. So you take these cards, so you can get like at dollar stores and like all over with inspirational quotes on them, or I mean, it doesn't have to be inspirational quotes; it could be cartoons or whatever. But like they're like plasticky, so they're not cardboard. And you make 3 cuts into it, 2 on the top and 1 in the bottom. Then you take your okay. See, this is the problem we were living with. That's why I always ask Binna to get me my headphones. Hey, Binna, you get my headphones? Have you noticed that? I do that.
I've noticed. I realize it now.
Okay, still testing 5 minute hacks. Ooh, 5 minutes. Okay, anyways, you take the top and you put the 2 headphones, the head pieces of the headphones, the earpieces of the headphone, and you put them through the 2 holes. Round and around and around and around we go. And then you end up with the 1 piece. So,
ta-da!
that works.
That seems pretty good.
Yep. The last one is the one where I need the glue gun, which is always fun. So, you get in this action. You put glue all over the one side. Yep.
Ooh.
And then you put this on. Opposite. Yeah. So
Okay,
open.
I
You see?
See what's happening here.
You just wait like 1 minute because it's ready. Okay, so
It's very philosophical.
then you put the 1 piece here, and then around and around and around.
That also seems like a pretty good idea for keeping them untangled.
Yeah.
Which is my objective here.
I mean, it would have been better if I could get it all the way around. I think we can.
Sort of.
Yeah.
Without breaking them.
Yeah. Okay. There we go. That sticks as well. This is where we kept all 4 before. And this definitely takes up a lot more space. I mean, 4 of these would be more.
Yeah.
I feel like these here. Let's see.
I mean, you could continue to use this.
You
That's
could fit
true.
4 in here.
But let's be honest though, like if we look in here, this is where we used to keep it.
Yeah, right there.
Okay, and if we're not using that anymore,
So if we're using 4 of these, they could fit there. 4 of these could.
sort of fit there.
Yeah.
To be honest, I think again the Tic
And it
Tacs.
just fell off again. Look.
Well, at least it's inspirational while it's frustrating.
Oh yeah, we have that one. And then stack over there.
See, that
Yeah.
would work.
That would work.
I think we have a winner.
I think this looks the best, but I think you can customize this to look the best. I still get this one because then I can eat the chocolate.
So on this one, we ended up sticking with the Kinder Egg one and the Tic Tac one. And actually, the Kinder Egg one ended up being a major nuisance. It's just not easy to get in and out.
No, it took way too long. You had to like really stuff it in there.
Yeah.
So
I mean, you made it look easy, but it wasn't.
no. The Tic Tac one though we really like, and we're gonna stick with that one.
And really, here, the fact that we did end up with a jumbo pack just made it so that it works a lot better than I think it would otherwise.
Yeah. So get the jumbo pack.
Get the big ones. Get massive. No, don't do that.
If you like this video, make sure you like the video, and we'll see you next time.